Okay, we're about to do a little unboxing of a major cartoonist's new iPad. Okay.
Well, just a little background. I used to do like little cartoons on my phone, Galaxy, whatever it was, something notes that came with a little stylus, but it was tiny and hard to do. But then I got a new phone and I didn't have a stylus, and so I've been doing it on paper, sometimes on my computer with Paint, and I saw a Microsoft Surface, and I thought, oh, that would be kind of fun. You can draw right on the screen, and so went to Best Buy to help my sister get a phone, and I went over and looked at the Microsoft Surface, and it was $700 or something, and the guy let me try it out. The pen was kind of thick and not that responsive, and so he said, well, what you should really look at is this. And then he took me over and he showed me first the iPencil, which I'll be opening shortly. And then the major thing is the iPad itself, which I shall be unboxing soon. And then the smart cover. And then I looked online, and I'm going to try to download with my brother's help this program that I won't know how to use, and then John can teach me how to do it. So,
I've never used it.
But you're smart. So I'm going to do the unboxing now. I've never owned an Apple product before, and I'm a little scared of breaking it. So I'm going to use some latex gloves. Almost as if this were a crime scene.
Oh, shoot. Hold on. The phone rang. But it's okay. Continue.
All right, so I got the gloves on. So why don't we start with the least exciting part, perhaps, which is the magnetic cover. And I have no idea how to attach it or how it works.
It's pretty simple.
And I hope it's not broken.
It's not.
We'll set that down right here. Next, the iPencil. All right, I don't know if this is safe. There's little tab here. I'm afraid of accidentally lacerating my iPencil. It's probably broken already. Do you just start? All right, I'll go. I'm not gonna stab it. I probably should, but I'm gonna see if I can do it a little bit better. By that. Oh, you need this saran wrap stuff for...
Only if you have to return it.
Oh.
It has to be in pristine condition, the wrap.
All right, maybe this thing... Oh, yeah, you just pull on this little tab.
I just got a voicemail. I should probably check that, but I'll do that later.
All right, then we have another box to open.
Okay, we're going to have to just pause for a second, okay?
All right, well, wait, I've opened it.
Okay, but there's a thing on the screen that I can't...
Okay.
All right, hold on. Oh, God. Incredibly annoying. A junk call from a Toyota dealer trying to get me to buy something. Gosh darn. Okay, we're back.
I pulled this stuff out of one of the boxes. It appears to be some kind of nib. That's the pencil nib, and that's some kind of charging nib, I would think. All right, we'll set that aside temporarily. I have to read all this warranty information. All right, I'm going to start with the French version. Garantie limitée un double accessoire pour les produits de marque Apple et Bits seulement.
That sounds pretty persuasive.
I think I got everything out of the box. Okay. Oops. Oh no. It fell. Okay, this is wrapped up in more stuff. Okay, I'm unwrapping the pencil. Oh, it feels like an actual pencil. Very.
Sometimes these unboxing videos need a little extra something to add excitement.
Okay, well, we've come to the main big boy itself, which is the iPod pad. Okay, can you see this? How do I? What would this mean?
Mr. What? What's that buzzing? Is that you or me?
I appear to be getting some Facebook messages. Okay, so I'm taking this off.
There's a little weird Game of Thrones action going on as you're unboxing.
Let's see, it is the iPad 6th generation Wi-Fi. This unit here, plus the pencil and plus the cover, came in at less than $500. But I guess it's not really a bargain if you can't get it out of its box. Oh my God, look at this thing.
It is beautiful. Yes, it's incredibly beautiful.
And then it comes with various gizmos like this and this. Oh, welcome. All right, so I don't think it's charged, so I think what we should do is adjourn. It is what, April 17th, 2018, something like that?
Yes.
What if we were to come back after I've learned how to use it, say April 17th, 2020? Something like that?
I don't think it's going to take you very long to learn it.
Well, I'll do my best, but I think it is. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so, well, thank you, and I will try to keep it pristine as long as possible.
I think there are a bunch of individuals who are very much looking forward. Aren't you guys? What do you think of Jim's new artwork? Yes! Yay! Yay! You'll probably get the hang of this in a few minutes. So later today, send me your first batch of cartoons.
Okay.
Okay. Love you, Brad.
Love you, Brad. Talk to you soon. I might take off the gloves now.
Mwah.
Okay.
You're getting kissed by a beautiful girl. Mwah. Mwah.